كيف كان هدي الصحابة في صوم أولادهم. What was the guidance and what way were the companions of the Prophet ﷺ in regards to their children? How were the Sahaba when it came to their children? How were they like? What we say is كان الصحابة يأمرون أولادهم بالصوم. They used to command their children to fast. فإذا قال الصبي يريد الطعام, and if the child said, Daddy, Mommy, I want to eat, I'm hungry, كانوا يعطونه ما يلعب به. They will give him something to play with حتى تغرب الشمس, until the sun sets. That's how the Sahabas were. They used to give the child something to play with, to distract him, so he doesn't focus on the hunger. But they wouldn't give him food. They wanted to train their children. Again, this is at the age of 7. And so at the age of 7, they would train their children to fast